Hi, this is Dan from Fret Success. I'm going to take you through the A6 chord. I'm just going to play it through so you know what it sounds like. I'll take you through the notes now. So you want to mute the top string with your thumb, and then you want to play the open A string, and then you want to make a shape with all 4 fingers that goes through the 2nd fret, going from the D string. So your first finger goes on the D string, your 2nd finger goes on the G string, and your 3rd finger goes on the B string, and your 4th finger goes on the E string at the bottom to give you the whole sound. So you want to miss the top string ideally, but if you mute it with your thumb, that'll mean that you won't get any sound out of it. So we'll play it through. So what makes this chord what it is? So essentially it's the same as a major chord, but you're adding that major 6th note on the top. And the major 6th note here is the F sharp, which is that note there. You could also add it to the bass if you really wanted by actually fretting that 2nd note, but that will give you a different version. So if you play that through with the thumb on the top, it's different to this sound. It's up to you which you play. I hope you enjoyed this little chord instructional video, and you can go join the free Fret Success Academy now, and it'll give you loads of other chords to learn. See you next time.